Welcome back. Before we start our deep dive into today's topic, please take a second to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a technical breakdown. It really helps the channel grow. Welcome to this comprehensive tutorial on Apache Unomi, the open-source customer data platform designed to unify user data and power real-time personalization. Unlike traditional analytics tools, Unomi focuses on actionable insights that can drive personalized experiences. It's part of the Apache Software Foundation and is widely used in enterprise environments to create smarter, data-driven user journeys. Apache Unomi is a customer data platform that centralizes user data from multiple sources into unified profiles. It allows businesses to understand user behavior in real time, enabling dynamic segmentation and personalization. Built with an event-driven architecture, it can react instantly to user interactions across web, mobile, and backend systems. Apache Unomi offers a vendor-neutral alternative to proprietary CDPs. It's scalable, extensible via plugins, and integrates easily with modern tech stacks like React, Kafka, and Elasticsearch. With strong support for privacy compliance, it's a smart choice for enterprises needing control over user data. Apache Unomi revolves around four core concepts: events, which capture user interactions; profiles, which store unified user data; sessions, which track activity periods; and segments, which group users based on behavior. Understanding these is key to leveraging Unomi effectively. Apache Unomi's architecture is designed for modularity and scalability. The event ingestion layer receives data from multiple sources. The profile and segment engine processes this data to build real-time user profiles. Rules and conditions drive actions, and everything is exposed through REST APIs for easy integration. Event ingestion is the first step in Apache Unomi's data pipeline. It supports events from web, mobile, and backend systems. Events are sent via REST API or batched through Kafka or file uploads. Each event is validated and normalized before being processed. Profiles in Apache Unomi are the cornerstone of user understanding. They unify data from multiple touchpoints into a single, persistent identity. These profiles evolve over time, support custom traits, and include built-in tools for privacy compliance such as consent tracking. Segments in Apache Unomi allow you to group users based on behavior, demographics, or custom conditions. Scoring enables real-time evaluation of user engagement. Segments can be nested and combined, making it easy to create complex behavioral audiences. Rules and conditions are what make Apache Unomi truly powerful. They allow you to trigger actions based on events, update profiles dynamically, and integrate with external systems. Rules are written in a flexible scripting language and can be as simple or complex as needed. Apache Unomi supports campaigns and goals to track the success of marketing initiatives. You can define goals like form submissions or purchases and track how users progress through campaigns. This makes it easy to measure and optimize conversion rates. Privacy is a core feature of Apache Unomi. It supports GDPR-compliant data handling, including user consent tracking, the right to be forgotten, and data anonymization. This ensures your personalization efforts stay within legal boundaries. Apache Unomi exposes a powerful REST API that allows developers to manage profiles, events, segments, rules, and campaigns. It supports both real-time and batch operations, making it flexible for different use cases. One of Apache Unomi's standout features is real-time personalization. It enables dynamic content delivery based on current user behavior. The decision engine evaluates profiles and segments instantly, ensuring consistent experiences across channels. Apache Unomi integrates seamlessly with modern analytics tools. It uses Elasticsearch for scalable data storage and supports Kibana dashboards for visualization. Event streaming via Kafka allows for real-time analytics pipelines. Performance and scalability are built into Apache Unomi. It runs on Apache Karaf, an OSGi container that supports modular deployment. With Elasticsearch at its core, it can scale horizontally to handle millions of events per second with low latency. Apache Unomi is highly extensible. Developers can write custom plugins for actions, conditions, and integrations. Its OSGi-based architecture allows for modular updates and third-party extensions. Groovy scripting support enables advanced customization. In e-commerce, Apache Unomi shines with real-time product recommendations, behavioral segmentation for targeted offers, and automated campaigns for cart abandonment. It enables cross-sell and upsell strategies based on user behavior. Apache Unomi powers marketing automation with dynamic email personalization, behavioral trigger campaigns, and lead scoring. It orchestrates cross-channel campaigns, ensuring consistent messaging across touchpoints. For content platforms, Apache Unomi enables personalized feeds, tracks user interests, and ranks content based on engagement. It also supports A/B testing integrations to optimize content delivery strategies. Setting up Apache Unomi involves installing Apache Karaf, configuring Elasticsearch as the backend, and enabling the REST API. You'll also need to define initial profiles and event schemas to get started. Tracking events in Apache Unomi is straightforward. You can send page views, clicks, and custom events via REST API. Each event can include custom properties and automatically updates user sessions and profiles. Creating segments in Apache Unomi starts with defining conditions like page views or purchase history. You can apply real-time scoring, test logic in the UI, and monitor how segments perform over time. The rule engine in Apache Unomi allows you to define triggers based on events, update profiles dynamically, and integrate with external systems. Groovy scripting adds flexibility for complex logic. Campaign management in Apache Unomi lets you define goals, track user engagement, and measure conversion rates. You can analyze the impact of campaigns to optimize future efforts. Apache Unomi includes tools for privacy compliance, including consent management, data anonymization, and support for the right to be forgotten. Audit trails ensure transparency in data handling. The REST API in Apache Unomi provides endpoints for managing profiles, events, segments, rules, and campaigns. It also supports batch processing for large-scale data ingestion. Apache Unomi's performance metrics include event processing throughput, profile update latency, segment evaluation speed, and system resource usage. These metrics help ensure optimal performance at scale. Compared to proprietary CDPs, Apache Unomi offers open-source flexibility and strong extensibility. It excels in real-time processing and customization, though it may require more technical expertise to set up. Apache Unomi benefits from an active community, extensive documentation, and a growing plugin ecosystem. Enterprise support is available from various vendors for production deployments. To get started with Apache Unomi, explore the official documentation, GitHub examples, and community forums. There are also video tutorials and courses available to accelerate your learning journey. When working with Apache Unomi, start with clear use cases, design scalable event schemas, monitor performance regularly, and plan for privacy compliance from the beginning. Common pitfalls include overcomplicating event schemas, ignoring performance issues, neglecting privacy compliance, and underestimating setup complexity. Awareness of these can help you avoid them. The future of Apache Unomi includes enhanced AI-driven personalization, improved UI tooling, expanded integrations, and better real-time analytics capabilities. These improvements will make it even more powerful for enterprises. In the real world, Apache Unomi powers e-commerce personalization engines, marketing automation platforms, content recommendation systems, and privacy-compliant analytics solutions. Its flexibility makes it suitable for diverse industries. This diagram shows the core architecture of Apache Unomi. The event ingestion layer receives data, which is processed by the profile and segment engine. Rules trigger actions, and everything is exposed through REST APIs. This chart illustrates key performance metrics for Apache Unomi, including event processing throughput, profile update latency, and segment evaluation speed. These metrics are crucial for enterprise deployments. Thanks for watching this deep dive into Apache Unomi. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your thoughts or questions. Start exploring Apache Unomi today and build smarter, more personalized user experiences. Join the open source community and contribute to its future. And that wraps up our explanation. If you found this useful, please hit the like button and share it with a fellow developer. Don't forget to subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.